constitutional law. It's a lot like cornbread and slaw. Fundamental recipe with lots of variation. 'Cause each and every cook has their own interpretation. Dred Scott was a bad use of judicial review. Presidential power limited in Youngstown, cheating too. In Marbury versus Madison Court had no jurisdiction. In McCulloch versus Maryland showed state power was just fiction. Calder versus Bull by natural law in a cloud. In U.S. versus Brown, no bills of attainder were allowed. Bicamerality and presentment came from Inez versus Jada. In Mistretta versus U.S. courts won't rule if they don't gotta. Constitutional law. It's a lot like cornbread and slaw. Fundamental recipe with lots of variation. 'Cause each and every cook has their own interpretation. Republicans tried to give Obamacare the axe until Judge Roberts ruled it was just another tax. In Brown versus the board, segregation got the hammer. In Comstock versus U.S., crazy crooks stay in the slammer. The Second Amendment gives us the right to bear arms, written when muzzleloaders protected our farms. Roe versus Wade still has the country torn. First Amendment lets us speak free and watch our porn. Constitutional law. It's a lot like cornbread and slaw. Fundamental recipe with lots of variation. 'Cause each and every cook has their own interpretation. Supreme Court judges get to serve for life. Supposed to rise above political strife, but the way they behave makes it easy to see. Their votes are based on personal ideology. Makes you scratch your head how those judges act, but they're here to stay and that's a fact. Not sure this is what the Constitution framers thought, but we're bound to support them 'cause it's all we got. Yeah, we're bound to support them 'cause it's all we got. You believe